How you going, guys? It's Phil from Aussie Garage here with Raw Talk TV. Now, Lindsey, tell us about your ride, mate.
She's a 1934 Ford Roadster.
Excellent.
Build time was 7 years.
What made you buy that car in the first place?
My neighbour, who we're really good mates. So, and he said to me, "Mate, we got to do something to keep us home."
Yeah.
He came over to my house one day and he went, "I found something for you," and showed me a picture of it. It was actually a magazine of hot rods.
Yeah. Yep.
And I went, "That one."
Yep.
And that's what it was. And then
nice.
Yeah, found this rolling chassis in Port Augusta.
Okay. Yep.
Pointing into a workshop, and as we pulled up the front of the workshop, all I seen was these two 450 wide tyres.
Yeah.
And I went, "That's it."
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
And it looks better with the guards, I think. I don't like the little bicycle type.
Oh, okay.
guards.
Yeah. Fair enough.
It gives better sleek
Yep.
lines.
Yep.
Nicer lines.
Absolutely. No, I love that. I mean, did it have suicide doors when you first got it, or did you put those in? Okay.
No,
Perfect.
Like I said, as we bought it as a rolling chassis,
Yep.
It came just with the tub,
Okay.
suicide doors, and because the rear wheels are tubbed so far into the boot, we couldn't have a dicky seat, so it is a boot.
Yep.
I wanted the dicky seat so we could take the dogs for a drive, but
Oh,
we
okay,
can't
yeah.
have that. So.
Yeah. Depends on how big your dogs are. So.
Little.
Okay. Yeah. You might be able to still shove them in there, but I don't know if they'll be comfortable.
Not when the boot's closed. No, they wouldn't.
No,
like that.
that's fair enough.
She's got a 351 Windsor,
Oh, nice.
little 671 supercharger,
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
twin 650 quick fuel sitting on top.
Oh, wow.
Behind that is a B&M AOD.
Yep.
So automatic with overdrive. Differential's a winter's quick change.
Okay.
So
Yep.
it's a race diff.
Yep.
Push button auto.
Nice.
Yeah. The wheels are Boyd Coddingtons.
Okay. Yep.
Junkyard dogs. So the rears are 450 wide.
Okay.
So colours are candy brandy wine
It's nice colour.
over a silver base.
Yep.
Almost everything on it is either hand built
Yep.
or bought and altered.
Okay.
We've had her on the road for just over 3 years. Done just over 7,000 kilometres in her.
Oh, perfect. Yep.
So she's a driver.
Yeah. Well, look, thanks for talking to us here
My
at Aussie
pleasure.
Garage and Raw Talk TV. And look, at the end of the day, hopefully we'll see you around a bit more.
Yeah.
You never know your luck in a big city.
Awesome. Thanks, mate.